Hello, my name is Ivan Salinas. Today I am going to talk about Bogota. Discovery Bogota and cultural and historic destination. A vibrant collision of traditional heritage and modern dynamics. Bogota is morally and strawberry is the vital capital of Colombia. It offers travelers in immersion, ever ignored. We are deep cultural history, profound artistic expression, and in diverse local tradition existing is by side in our indeed vibrant metropolis. La Candelaria anchors the city historic and cultural identity. The atmosphere and dance walking of Saturday we at the stage cultural atmosphere. The experience the perfect starting point for drivers who want to explore the intersection of history and the daily terrain of local life. Monserrate offers an unmentioned vantage point of the historic capital, and required and thanks for an traveler. The park promise note the absolute base or view of Bogota, but crucial is Spanish road to dense urban ride, take picture, relax, and visually comprehend the vast scale of the city. Plaza de Bolívar stands as the civic and the cultural core, the main square of the city service, and the epicenter of Colombia historic, inflanked by two mountains inspiring historical and governmental bullying, often trials, a concentration of the nation politic heritage. The Golden Museo preserves the intricate legacy of Colombia bonds and essential deep life on the region indigenous history. Museum house talks of fascinating pre-Columbian artifacts along travels to learning of the surviving society long before the colonial era. And city the feel the life contrasts and unforgettable experience. Bogota commands in the place as premier destination through plural synthesis of the history, dynamic cultural range, gastronomic, and dramatic and the landscape.